Hello, this is Joe Harris, and this is your Just a Sales Tip Tuesday. So today I'm going to talk about something that I believe is one of the most important concepts in sales, and it is this. It's the illusion of transparency. And the illusion of transparency says that you believe other people know how to help you without you telling them. So let me restate that. It's that you think that other people know how to help you without you telling them. And let me set this up for you. So if you do real estate or you do mortgages, or let's say you do a real estate, you're a real estate agent, and you work with a client for 90 days, you show them 10,000 houses, and at the end of the transaction, um, at the closing table, you thank them and they thank you and they say, listen, you've been amazing. I'm going to refer you business forever, right? And then you're like, great, thank you, that's awesome. And then time goes on and you never hear from that client again. They don't refer you any single transaction whatsoever. Why? Well, you think because they told you that they're going to refer you business that they know how to do it and they know how to help you. This is a very bad assumption. Okay, people want to help people. The illusion of transparency says that you think people know how to help you without you telling them, and you're wrong. Okay, this is the illusion. The reality is, in order for you to get that referral business ongoing, or for to have the client help you, you must tell them and tell them and tell them and tell them. So whether it's real estate or mortgage, insurance, or whether you sell cars, it doesn't matter what you sell. You have to let the other person know how they can help you in an ongoing and predictable way. And what that might look like is this. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, I know we just spent 90 days looking for a house for you, and I hope you did. I hope you think I did a good job. And if you do think I did a good job, I would greatly appreciate you sending any of your friends and family, your coworkers, people at church, anyone you know that's looking to buy or sell a house, please have them contact me. Now, it doesn't just you can't just tell them one time, all right? And then at the end of that conversation, you say, listen, is it all right if I reach out to you every once in a while um, so we can have a conversation to see if there's anyone I might be able to help that you know? And they typically say yes. Now you've gotten their permission. So you've told them up front what you're going to do. You've got permission to do it. Now you just have to do it. And that's the follow-up piece. So once you make a sale, that sale is not over. You have to service that client and their needs for life, right? And this is how you get repeat referral business, and it's that repeat referral business that's going to drive your business forever, right? That's the best way to get business is from your past clients and database. And this can go to any industry. If you're selling something and there's repeat sales to be made, you have to tell the client in an ongoing and predictable manner how they can help you in the future, right? So that's the illusion of transparency. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you again, and I'll see you next Tuesday.